Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to get started on the hood louvers on our 98 Cherokee. My wife is going to be helping me and we're going to get it all laid out, the template done, and then we're going to do the cuts on the hood so that way we can get them installed. But anyways guys, enjoy the show.
That, right?
Yeah. Alright, so what we just did was get the measurements from the back of the hood to just inside the little frame piece of the hood, so that way we're far enough forward we don't drill or cut through it. It's not really gonna matter so much over here. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to go off this. So, personal preference, we measured off the back of the hood to get our distance, but I would rather it be more symmetrical with the lines going down the center of the hood rather than the back of the hood, just because I think it looks better when you're looking at it straight on. So we're gonna do that. Do it all over again. All right, so from here it's gonna be a lot more drilling of holes and then measuring. So we'll get right back to it. All right, guys. I'm not sure how well you can see. Oh, yeah, you can. So we did our holes. We measured in a half inch, and then pretty much played connect the dots and made a little bit of a template. Is it 100% perfect? Absolutely not. But will it work? Will it look decent? Yes. So we are gonna get to cutting here shortly. My wife is gonna be the one doing the cutting, and yeah, we'll keep on going. All right, so now that we have completed the cuts, what we're gonna do is kind of deburr this a little bit, get some of the extra metal shavings taken off, and just kind of cleaned up a little bit, and then we're good to throw them back on, put the bolts in, and be done with this. All right, so we're currently waiting on our battery to recharge for our big cutoff wheel and grinder, so that way we can clean it up. But kind of recap what we did is, so first we got our measurement on the inside of the hood from the back of the hood to see how far we wanted to cut in, because there is a frame back here. So we measured that in 5 inches on both sides. Then we got it set, or our panel set on. We did our corner holes, got it 4-pointed, and then we drilled all of our holes, so that way we had our layout of how it would be. Then we removed them, connect the dots. So we had our template, and then as you just saw, my wife cut out that template. So now you have this nice big hole in your hood. So again, from here, We'll clean it up, and then we'll get the panels thrown back on and be able to show you the final product. All right, so we got the holes cleaned up, and now we're gonna go ahead and start throwing the panels on, getting the fasteners, at least put in the holes, and then we'll put the nuts in. All right, so all of our screws are in. All of our screws are in. Now we need to pop the hood and put the nuts on the other side. Just so you can get a view of what it looks like now with those holes cut out.
Oh, interesting.
Best as you can.
I did go through that.
Yeah. So that's what it looks like on the underside. Looks like we're done.
Is this bit from the icon?
Yeah.
Hey, we did it.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that is the hood louvers. They are fully installed now. So again, this is what not the side of my head looks like, but what the side of or underside of the hood. All the bolts are in, nuts are on, and let me show you the top again. Ooh. Maybe. Better. All right, so here's the top. Again, all those bolts are in. It's by eyeballing, it's pretty symmetrical. If you wanted to get technical, it's probably not, but looks good enough to the eye. So that's good enough for me. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and until next time, stay safe, stay out of trouble, take it easy, do something nice for someone. I'll see you next time.